Crafts that make kids smile. Balloon stress ball. Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making a balloon stress ball. And I bought these balloons at the dollar store. They're just smiley face balloons. You can use these, or you can use just a plain regular balloon, and I'll show you what to do with a permanent marker to make the same result. So what you'll need is some type of balloon. You could use any color. You'll need a permanent marker if you do not already have the face on it. You'll need a pencil if needed for the funnel and the flower. You'll need a funnel, and that also could be at the dollar store, or if you have one in your house, that would be great. And you need some flour. So all you need to do to make this balloon stress ball, it's kind of fun for the kids to play with, is you get your balloon, and if you don't have a smiley face balloon from the dollar store, you can just get a regular balloon here, and what you can do is draw the face on ahead of time if you want to make a face. And you can make the face, whoops, you probably can't see, let me help you here. You'll make your face, and then you can draw your smile underneath. And the kids could have fun with this one and draw funny faces. They can make little monster faces, they can make smiley faces, however that would work. So you can just draw your smile on there, and then it's good to blow the balloon up just to get it stretched out a little bit to start. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your funnel, and you're going to get your balloon ready to be filled up. So you're just going to take your flour, let me get the bag open so we have it, and you're just going to scoop your flour into the funnel. And sometimes if you just give it a tap, the flour will eventually go in. If by chance that flour doesn't go in, that's where the pencil comes in handy. And you can just tap it in and push it down into the balloon until it actually goes down, and then you can fill it back up again. So I did about 3 heaping teaspoons of flour to fill my balloon. It depends on the size of the balloon that you have, and again, it is filling up. And again, you can tap it to make sure it goes in. That also helps. The kids can figure out different ways and strategies to get that flour to go down. Again, those are just 2 ways to do it. And you just wait till that flour goes in and the balloon gets full. It's almost full. It has a little bit of air, so we're going to keep filling a little bit more just to make sure that that balloon is like our sample. Okay, that went in, and it looks like it's almost full. So our 3rd spoon will make it complete. And again, we can tap it, and we could use the pencil to help it go down. And it's getting there. And then once we fill this up with that 3rd, maybe 4 teaspoons, depending on what kind of balloon you end up using. Looks like it's pretty full, so I'm gonna take this out. Looks like it's at the end. So then when you take your balloon out, you're going to just make sure some of that air is out. And then what you're going to do is tie it off. If you need help with, an adult can help you with this. And then when you tie off the balloon, you will have a stress ball that you made. And it's really fun to play with for the kids. If they need time, like a timeout or something to just kind of relax, this is a great way for them to use this balloon. It's a fun way to also make some fun faces. And it's really a fun craft for them to do with something easy that most of us have in our homes, which is just flour and a balloon. So hopefully you enjoyed this stress ball balloon craft, and you will be the reason someone smiles today. Make sure you subscribe to the videos. Have a great day. Thanks. Crafts that make kids smile.